What's good, guys? Here back with another video, and in today's video I have another great way and opportunity for you to make money online. This is pretty simple, it's easy, it doesn't take any special skills to get started. It's actually pretty unique, and it's something that we do pretty much every day if you're one of those type of people who are constantly surfing the internet. So let me stop talking and jump into my computer so I can show you everything that you need to get started. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Alright, guys, so like I said, this one is pretty unique. It's a pretty decent way to make money online. And it does involve something that, if you're on the internet a lot, something that you pretty much do all the time. So let me bring your attention to this website right here called 2Capture, right? What you'll be doing is you'll be filling out those little capture boxes and you'll be getting paid for it. Okay. It is a pretty unique way to make money. And like I said, this is something that I'm just hearing about myself. So I figured I'd share it with you guys. All right. Like I said, something that we're always doing. We're always filling out them stupid little boxes to make sure we're humans and not bots. I'm sorry. So, hey, if it gives you an opportunity to test these things out and make money, why not go with it? All right, so like I said, this is our first site, 2Capture, and it pretty much says it right here. Online capture typing job. Capture solving is the most simple and guaranteed way to have additional income on the internet. All right, so this is the site, and basically right here it tells you how much you can make per hour with these filling out these captures. So basically it's about 20 to 80 cents per hour just typing away. And you know, captures aren't long. They're a few letters or numbers at a time, and it takes you literally seconds to type out a capture. So I mean, this is pretty easy, pretty fast money, you know what I mean? It's not like you got to type out a whole story or a whole conversation, you know. Just simple 5 to 6 letter number combinations, and you can quickly make money online with this, with typing captures. All right, so here's a little bit of information about it. So they basically tell you everything you need. So for starters, you need a computer or smartphone. So if you don't have a computer and you have a smartphone, you can also do this with internet access. Uh, they do test you. Okay, they're going to give you some training that'll take about 5 to 10 minutes long. Okay, again, you're just filling out some text, trying to solve out these little captures, trying to make sure that they work. Minimal payout is 50 cents, so if that's all you make that day, but you want to cash out, you can cash out. Okay, they don't. Now this is a plus. They don't take out fees, meaning whatever you make is what you get. So you don't have to worry about, you know, them taking money out and then you losing out or having to do extra to pull your money out. It's whatever you make is whatever you get. All right, so whenever you're ready, you just go. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't realize my internet disconnected, but continuing on. Just hit the quick start button, right? And then you'll just fill out this information right here, you know, register. And once you register, all right, they're going to send you an email. And once you get the email, then you'll be able to verify and you'll be able to get started creating or testing these captures out and getting paid for it. All right. So it's pretty simple, nothing hard. All right. So the next site I want to talk about, or so that we can check out, is called Capture Club. All right. It's another site where you can type out captures to make money online. All right. Now they do have the option of data entry as well as doing the capture. Okay, so you do have options. But right now we're just going to stick with the captures, okay? And then click here where it says get started. And while this loads up. And then you just fill out just like with the other one, you fill out your name, email, the mobile number, okay? And you go ahead and register. And just like with that site, with this one, you'll be able to get paid to do captures. Now, I believe with this site, it's the same as with the other one, where it's about, you'll be making about 50 cents an hour. I believe that's what it is. All right, so again, here's another site where you can do something as simple as typing captures out and making money with it. And I do have one more site for you today, and that one's called megatypers.com. All right, and this one works in a similar way. Basically, you'll be typing up and testing these captures, and you'll get paid for it. Now, this site works a little bit differently than the other two sites because you actually get credits, and you got to convert those credits into actual cash. All right, so I'm not a fan of like the credits and stuff like that, but it is another way to make money online with something actually really super simple. All right, so with this one, you just go ahead and click the sign up button, and you go ahead and you fill out all your information. All right, so do all this, and then once you register, you'll go ahead and you'll be able to type out the captures, and you'll be able to get paid for it. Okay. So something I forgot to mention, these all do PayPal. All right. So again, once you make your cash, you can go ahead and cash out with PayPal, and you'll be good to go. It's, again, easy stuff to make money with. All right. So that's all I got for today. Just wanted to go over this real quickly. Just something, like I said, unique, something that you don't see people talking about a lot. It's not going to make you rich, okay? It's not going to fill your pockets full of cash, but it is a great way to build up something to pay bills or have gas money or snack money or whatever the case may be, all right? So that's all I got for today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful, and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, in the link below, I will have my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I do to make money, and if you want, you can check that out as well. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.